Hey there YouTube, welcome back. You want to know how to get Delta Executor and run the custom scripts by using the Delta Executor on your iOS or Android device. In this tutorial video you are going to see how you can generate the free key without any pop-up ads, and even you can download the Delta Executor on your mobile device without side loading or jailbreak. So here, let me get started. Minimize everything and open up your browser, could be any which you are using, and go to the address bar over here and type this dexecutor.com. So guys, make sure you are spelling it right so that you can dive into the right website. And this is the interface after you enter here. Okay, here you can generate the free key, that's the Roblox thing, and a lot of scripts over here without any key. So let me go with the Delta Executor mobile by tapping on the download button. And now here I need to enter my Roblox username. In my case, mine is not already. That's my Roblox username, guys. Let me tap on continue over here, and you'll see I have been connected by the API of the Roblox. And let me select iOS device since I'm using the iOS device here. That's my iPhone 13. And here you see Delta Executor is being started generating for my iOS device, and for my username, that's the unique file is gonna generate over here. As you can see here, guys, that was pretty easy. And now it says finalize installing on iOS. Let me tap over here and it says plugins required. So guys, 2 additional plugins required to complete the installation process. Open plugin list. Okay, let me tap here to open the plugin list. And here, that's actually very easy. What you need to do is install the 2 plugins, which is usually mobile apps, could be downloaded through the App Store or Play Store, and you can download the top 2 apps from the list. And after you download that, just sign up there by using your Google account or your phone number. After you do that, stay there for the minimum 30 seconds. You don't have to make any purchase, or you don't have to do any activity over there. Just stay there for the minimum 30 seconds and you're all done. You will get the Delta Executor directly downloaded on your iOS device without any side loading thing, or even without the jailbreak. And here I have already shown you how I have gotten the free key without any hectic part here. And this is the Delta Executor, guys, over here you see. And that was very simple to download it. And so guys, enjoy the tutorial video. Let me search for the script. Okay, let me go with the Forge Hub. Okay, and here you see that's the Forge Hub. Here you see that's how you can execute the script, execute to clipboard, or even you can execute directly without any key. So guys, enjoy the tutorial video. Don't forget to share among your friends if they also needed it. Thanks for watching, guys.